Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Baby Pumpkin Finance token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I'm just going to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn how to buy, how to sell, and lots more to do with the space, I really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, I'm going to show you guys the website for this token. The link will be in the description if you guys want to check that out as well. But right here is the website, and it's basically going to show you everything to do with the project. So if we just scroll down here, there will be an overview of the project. So basically, it's just a DeFi project building on the self-sufficient, self-organizing crypto community. So this is basically just going to go over their small information that they have about their project, as well as their bump paper here, which is considered their white paper. So you guys can check that out as well. And if you scroll down here, there'll be a 2% reflection for this project, 4% liquidity, 4% for treasury and marketing, and as well as their distribution being 31 billion tokens, 79% of which is a fair supply launched into PancakeSwap, 21% is a supply reserved for the SEX listings, giveaways, and treasury funds when the secret utility is released. So if we continue to scroll down here, we'll also see that they have a Bumpkins collection, which are going to be some avatars, as well as they're looking at doing NFTs into the future. Then if you slowly scroll down here, there is a roadmap for their future as well that they'll have coming out. So this token is just launching now with the lead up to Halloween. So there's lots of information coming out on a daily basis. So I'd really recommend you guys check out their website to see what their project is all about. But yeah, now we'll go on to how to purchase this token. So I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap in the description and comment section available for you guys to go ahead and click on. And then I'll show you guys how to get the contract address and add that to your Trust wallets. Once you guys are on CoinMarketCap here, all we have to do to get this address for this token is just go down to where you see contracts, go all the way to the right, you'll see two squares. You just want to click on that, so then you're able to copy the contract address. Once you have that copied, we can go back into Trust Wallet, and I'll show you guys how to add that to your Trust Wallet and get started. Once you're in your Trust Wallet here, you just want to go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the two lines and two circles. Click on that. And then in the top search bar here, we can go ahead and paste the contract address for the token. We'll then see Add Custom Token here. So we want to go ahead and click on Add Custom Token. And then we just have to change the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain. And then just paste the contract address in. Everything else will load in automatically for us. Once we have that, we can go to the top right corner and click on Save. Now, once we have that done, we need to ensure that we have BNB inside of our Smart Chain wallet. I'm not going to be showing you guys how to purchase or transfer BNB inside of this video or how to create your Trust wallet. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in comment section for you guys to go check out those videos first and then coming back to this video. But you just need to make sure that you have BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet, or else you will not be able to purchase it on PancakeSwap. Now, if you have your BNB inside of your BNB wallet here, all you have to do is click on BNB, click on swap, and then right here, there's an option to swap to Smart Chain. You want to make sure you have the amount of currency that you want to purchase the token with inside of your Smart Chain wallet, or else it will not show up on PancakeSwap. So that's very important. But once you guys have the BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet, as well as the token added to your Trust wallet, we can now go ahead and head over to PancakeSwap so we could actually swap the token. So I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description and comment section as well. So you guys can just head over there and go to PancakeSwap, or of course you can Google PancakeSwap and go to the website yourselves. Then I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you guys are on PancakeSwap here, the first step that you have to do is just go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. And then we have to go to Wallet Connect. Once we're on Wallet Connect, it's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. So this can be any one of these wallets. If you have your coins in MetaMask or Rainbow Wallet, you guys can go ahead and do that. But I'm going to be showing you with Trust Wallet. So we're just going to click on Trust Wallet. Once we do that, it's going to open this up in our Trust Wallet, asking us to connect PancakeSwap to Trust Wallet. So we just want to click on Connect for that. And then we can head back over to our PancakeSwap. Now, once we're back on PancakeSwap, we'll know our wallet's connected once we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. Once we have that here, all we have to do is click Select a Currency, and then we just have to paste the same contract address we got over from CoinMarketCap in this area right here. Now, once we have that, we can just click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Now, once we have both tokens in here ready to go, we just have to change our slippage tolerance. So we just go to this little settings gear in the top right corner here. We just can click on that. Then right here under swaps and liquidity, you'll see an option for slippage tolerance. Now for this token, I'd probably start off with around 10%. So we can just change this right here to 10%. Now, if 10% doesn't work, you're gonna have to change that around depending on the liquidity and the time you're watching this video. You guys can just move it up or down depending if it works for you. So if it gives you any kind of errors, I definitely recommend changing the slippage tolerance just so you're able to go through the transaction and it'll go through smoothly. So yeah, I'll start off with 10%. And then of course, if that does not work, you might have to move up a little bit depending on the liquidity. So once we have that in there, we can exit out of here. And then we just have to decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, we use 1 BNB. Will then show us the amount of this token we'll get in exchange for our BNB. Now, if you're happy with what you see here, you can just click on the insufficient BNB balance for me. For you, it should say swap. Once you click on the swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. Now, if you're happy with that, you can click on swap one more time. You should then get a successful transaction notice. Once you get that notice, you can head back into your Trust wallets, and then the token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy this token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.